What's up, y'all? It's your girl Joy Loves, and I'm back with another video. Anyway, I didn't want to do too many videos, okay? But anyway, I'm back with another video, and my video is on the Farberware pressure cooker. Yes, it is not an Instapot pressure cooker because I didn't want to spend all that money and I didn't like it, okay? So I got the name, it's a name brand, but it's an off brand. Farberware is very popular. I actually had a deep fryer from Farberware and I liked it, but it was just too small. But I'm gonna open this bad boy and I'm gonna show you guys. This is actually my second recording of this, so sorry. So styrofoam, hate it. Let me take this out and let me move this box. Okay, so I have it out of the original box. This was $50. So what came with it is a recipe book for a pressure cooker, and then this is the programmable manual type pressure cooker thing. Tells you how to work it, you know, all of that stuff, the functions and all that stuff. So okay, so I'm back. So I'm gonna tell you some of the things that are in here that you guys can cook before I get into all of this, okay? Because I know you guys want to know. So I'm just gonna tell you a couple of them. They have a hearty sausage and potato soup. You can make taco soup in there. I know you guys want to know about some meats, right? You can make pulled pork sandwiches, and there's a whole recipe in here for it. Chicken cacciatore, traditional pot roast is right here. I know y'all love pot roast, right? We all love pot roast. Smothered pork chops and brown sugar baked beans. Come on now. So I'm gonna pan the camera down, so all you're gonna see is just this, and you're gonna hear me talking. You might see a lot of hands going. So here are the button functions right here. So right here we have the stop button, we have the on button. Well, it's stop and start, and then right here you have keep warm, you have your decrease and increase, your time cook, your delayed cook, and then the functions that you have down here 1 through 9 are: number 1 is slow cook, number 2 is soup and stews, number 3 is rice or risotto, number 4 is fish steam, so you can steam fish in here, number 5 is steaks and meats, number 6 is chicken, number 7 is veggie steam. That's gonna be really helpful for me because I'm on this healthy thing, so I'll be using that a lot. And then number 8 is bean and lentils, and then here is brown and sear is number 9. So this is the function. Number 9 is what you're gonna function if you want to make a stew. I do have I want to show you what all came with it. This little cup, which is a drip cup, it actually, when it's cooking and pressurizing and whatever else it does, it actually drips the liquid from the machine to the back of it, and that goes, oops, let me pick it up, that goes right here. It snaps. Ooh. Okay, right in place, snaps right in place. And then here is your pressurized button. Let me put it up a little bit. Here's your pressurizer. This actually comes out so you can clean it. Okay, and then here are your handles, so you can actually lift it up. It's not that heavy. It's heavy, but it's not that heavy. And then That's unlock. Then you place it down there, and now it's locked. Unlock, lock. Right here, it just basically tells you, the functions of, not the functions, but that this is a hot surface, don't touch. I love this right here, and now I'm going to show you guys what came with it. It comes with a measuring cup. It also comes with 2 spoons. So this is for like rice, this is for stews and soups and stuff. And then this also has a rack where you can sit, I believe it's chicken or something like that. You can use that for. Let me check the book for y'all real quick and let you know what that is. So it's a cooking stand. I know that you can can in this. Probably not in this. Well, you could probably do like little smalling cannings. If you do cannings, you know what I'm talking about. So you'll probably put that, or like a little pot, or you can steam stuff on top. I don't know. So yeah, that's just a cooking stand. I guess you put like little, you're gonna put like canning stuff in there. That's what I'm saying. Some canning things in there. You can do that as well. So this is what the inside looks like, and it is removable. And this is a 4-liter 10 cups. So it has little measuring things on the inside right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but right here, those are the measuring things. And I will be fooling around with this, and I will be cooking some stuff in it. I think I'm gonna do Sunday dinner in here. I'm gonna make a pot roast, or pots, or roast, or I don't know, something. I'm gonna figure something out cooking it. I think this is very, this will be a very good product for me, because it has a lot. It has a lot. I can do a lot in it. And I know there's other things that a lot of people do in here that they do in their Instapot. And I just love the whole idea of an Instapot, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug this in, because I want you guys to see it. So here is this. And another thing, if you want to sear, you're going to take this top off. I'm actually not going to push anything right now because it is on and I have stuff in here. But if you were going to sear, you would put it all the way to 9. So you would go to menu, and then you would push all the way to 9. You would drop oil in there. You would drop your oil in there, and then a little bit of oil to coat the bottom, and you would sear. Gonna turn that off, and then such, okay? So then you have time delays and all that stuff. You can set your time delay. You can do time to cook if you want your roast to cook on low. You can do that by or if you want it to be done not low, you want it to be done 20 minutes before you come home, delay it 20 minutes. A stew, I know a stew takes about 40 minutes in the Instapot, because I read it, because there's steps in that you have to do to get it. And I know some people just throw everything in it and they just let it go. You can do that, but this actually acts as a searer too. So whatever you choose to do in here, let me know. Like, we can share, you know, recipes for the Instapot together. We can challenge each other to make healthy meals in the Instapot. Not the Instapot, I keep saying Instapot. It is a pressure cooker. Sorry, y'all. So I just want you guys to hear this. Let me turn my air conditioner off so you guys can actually hear. Let me let you guys hear this. It lets you know when it's open and when it's closed. Open. Close. That's it. That's all, y'all. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I would be more than happy to answer your questions. Also, I will be doing cooking videos in my Instapot. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, there is a valve in here that this thing right here, this right here, if you push it on the sides, it'll pop off and you can clean that after each use. So yeah, but I want to say thank you guys for watching, and I appreciate you guys for watching all my videos and all the positive feedback that I get on them. I really, really do appreciate it. And I want to say thank you guys again, and I love you guys, and until the next video, I'll see you later. Bye.